Yes, yo, welcome back to End Cryptos. Don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, we're going to be wrapping up candles, impulsive candles, pullbacks and valid pullbacks on the real charts. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is a real chart. This is BTC on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we're going to be seeing candles, impulsive candles, pullbacks and valid pullbacks, how they look on the real time frame. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so if we zoom in, you're gonna see that each of these candles come together to form a chart, and each candle tell us a story. Okay, every candle on the chart tell us a story. Like this one right here, you can see it is green, meaning that it went higher, and if it goes higher, it means it's a buyer's candle. So if you check right there, if you place the cursor on it and you look up right there, you're gonna see the open, the high, the low and the close of this candle. So but let's just label it like you already know. So you can see down here you have the low, and right here open, close and high. So that is for the buyer's candle. You already learned that, and that goes for every other candle that is green. For the red candle, the same thing. So but this time around it came lower, that is price came lower, so the high is still up and the low is down. And that is summaries on candles. Okay, going straight to impulsive candles, this will help us to understand impulse candles on the chart. So as you can see right here, you can see these candles keep going up, keep breaking the high of the previous candle. So these four green candles right here. Okay, so if you look at it very well, this is an impulsive candle or impulsive candles. So you can see started from down here, and the next candle broke higher than the high of the previous candle. So it keeps breaking the high. So you can note the difference. I keep breaking the high, not the low, the high. So that is for buyer's candle, buyer's impulse. So the high of the previous candle keeps getting broken to the upside. So that's for the impulsive buyer's candle. So we can look at the impulsive seller's candle. So in this case, the candle keeps going down. So we have this candle, then the next one breaks the low of the previous candle, and the next one breaks the low of the previous candle, the next one breaks the low of the previous candle. So that is seller's impulsive candle. The low of the previous candle keeps broken, so keeps getting broken. So it can be a combination of red and green. So this is a very good example for you to see that it mustn't all be red and it mustn't all be green. So this is seller's impulsive candles. Okay, all right, so make sure there's no confusion there. The next thing we're looking at is pullbacks. Okay, so let's say we have impulse, we have impulsive candles. You can see that this candle keep going higher. These candles, I mean to say, they keep going higher. Now we have a candle that came lower. After three candles went higher, we have a candle that came lower, and that is a pullback. That's what we call pullback. So though there's a difference between a pullback and a valid pullback, but this is a pullback. Okay, so it came against the flow. The flow was up, then we have a candle that came back against the flow. So that's what we call pullback. Okay, so the next is valid pullbacks. So what are valid pullbacks? So when we have candles going higher like this, so you can see that the next candle is always going higher than the previous candle. It's taking the high of the previous candle, taking out the high of the previous candle. Then we now get to a situation where we have a candle that takes out the low of the highest candle right here. So this is a valid pullback because it went below the low of the highest candle. Okay, so where's the highest candle? This is the highest candle right here. So you can see the high there, and the low of the highest candle is right here. So we now have this red candle going below the low of this highest candle, so that makes it a valid pullback. So this candle right here forms a valid pullback. Okay, so that is the difference between ordinary pullback and valid pullback. So valid pullback must go below the low of the highest candle in the impulsive move. Okay, so we have another example right here. Okay, so we have this impulsive move. The high keeps breaking until we have this candle that broke the low of the highest candle. So that is a valid pullback. That is a valid pullback right there because it went below the low of the candle that went the highest. Okay, so that is valid pullback. Same thing goes for the seller's candle. When the low keeps breaking, the low of the candle keeps breaking until we now have another candle that went higher than the candle that went the lowest. So right here we have a valid pullback. With more practice you understand it. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like. And yes, we have a Telegram community where we help new traders with trade signals and short video guides. Link in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.